Yeah, I replied, I think, right? 9:30 and yeah, absolutely. Okay.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Bayani, sir.
Good
Yeah.
morning.
స్టార్ట్ చేయగా గోపాల్ రెడ్డి
Okay.
సార్ జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు చెప్తాను నేను. ఆయన నడుస్తుంటది కదా, ఆయన ఎత్తట్లే ఫోన్.
Morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to this online website launching program for the 43rd All India Accounting Conference, which is to be hosted by the Department of Commerce, Usmania University, in association with the Indian Accounting Association of the Hyderabad branch. Welcome all the dignitaries, principals, and members from the various universities, and all the invitees for this auspicious occasion of the launching of the online website. Now, I request our beloved Dean, Faculty of Commerce, and also the Conference Secretary for the 43rd Accounting
కాన్ఫరెన్స్.
Association Conference there. I get confused with the Commerce and the Accounting there. AI. So I request Apparao sir to go about with giving us welcome address on this occasion.
Good morning, everyone online. Today's program chief guest, Professor T. Pabareddy, Chairman, State Council of Higher Education, Government of Telangana. Distinguished guests, invitees, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, everyone. At the outset, on behalf of Department of Commerce, Usmania University, Hyderabad branch, I welcome all the distinguished guests and invitees for this online website launching program of 43rd All India Accounting Conference to be held in Usmania University, Hyderabad in the year 2020-21. As you know, the 43rd All India Accounting Conference will be organized by the Department of Commerce in association with Indian Accounting Association, uh, Hyderabad branch, coinciding the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of the Department of Commerce and Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Indian Accounting Association. As you know, Commerce Department was established in the year 1945, and as of today, we have completed, say, 75 years. Similarly, Indian Accounting Association also established in 1970. So far, we have completed, say, 50 years. So there are same 54 branches and also more than 6,000 members in Indian Accounting Association. In Hyderabad branch, we have 181 members, 178. Recently, 3 members are transferred from other branches. Total comes to 181 members. So generally, the conference is organized in the months of December, January every year. But due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, we are not able to conduct seminar in the months of December or January. Hence, on the headwise of the IAA national body and also local body, we have decided to develop and launch a website and made available to the users without dates and mode of conduct, that is offline or online. so that users can access the information about the conference and write the papers. Once we decide about the dates and mode of conduct, we can accept the papers and start registration process for attending the conference. So whatever developments are there regarding, say, conduct of All India Accounting Conference, we can also post on the website, and users can see and observe the developments which are there in the conduct of All India Accounting Conference. On this occasion, I would like to share some information about the conference also. This time, the conference will be held on 3 themes which are of current relevance, namely digital accounting, tax accounting, corporate disclosure and compliance, apart from 2 common topics such as accounting education and accounting research. In all, there are 5 topics actually. So one is digital accounting, second tax accounting, third corporate disclosure and compliance, and we have common topics like accounting education, and lastly accounting research. So for details, after launching the website, so users can visit 43aic.com. The website name is 43aiac.com. So we have also created email ID. For any information you want to share, you can also send to email address after launching the website. So if everything goes well, that is if Corona controlled or if government permits, we may organize conference in physical mode, because we are not sure about how to organize so far. We need to discuss and take decision later. But as of today, as per government regulations and rules, only 100 people are permitted for public gatherings, and we have to wait and see. And also we need more time for conducting say offline mode, because as of today we have not started any major work for conducting All India Accounting Conference. So that's why at least 6 months lag period is required for conducting offline mode. If it is online mode, there is no problem, because within 2-3 months or 4 months we can conduct online, but offline is somewhat challenging. So we have to make arrangements for say accommodation, food, transport, so many things are there. Maybe all the senior members are aware of the problems in conduct of the conferences. So on this occasion, I request my colleagues in the Department of Commerce and also members of IIA, local body and national body, please extend your cooperation for successful conduct of this mega event. I am very thankful to Professor T. Papireddy, sir, Chairman, State Council of Higher Education, for sparing his valuable time and going to launch website. So he joined almost 10 minutes before in the scheduled program. So I thank Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, Registrar of our Usman University, and we have Professor Limbadri also, online Vice Chairman, State Council of Higher Education. And I think Professor V. Venkatramana sir also shortly going to join in the program, Vice Chairman, State Council of Higher Education. So I am happy that they are also associating with this program. So I thank Professor D. Reddy and also Professor K.V. Achalapati for extending their cooperation and support for conducting All India Accounting Conference in Hyderabad. Anyway, there will be separate say vote of thanks at the end. So just I would like to share this information. I am also thankful to national body members, particularly Professor G. Soral, President of Indian Accounting Association, who is also available online, and Professor Sanjay Bayani, General Secretary of Indian Accounting Association, national body. They joined in the program. We are very happy. So because of this online system, so we are able to collect and assemble all the people at one place. If it is offline, I think national body members may not be possible to associate with this online offline launching. Generally, conference sites are launched offline mode only because of this pandemic situation and corona problem. Then so we gone for the online launching of the program. So I think Madam also joined, Professor Prashant Atma, Chairperson Board of Studies just now, Department of Commerce. So I thank all my colleagues in the Department of Commerce for helping in organizing this particular event, website launching program. So almost all teachers have involved, Dr. Patrick, Naresh Reddy, and Ravi Kumar and others. I thank my research scholar, Mr. Venkatesh, for his technical support. So he is making all arrangements for developing say brochure and also say technical support. So with this, because it is online, I don't want to speak much. There are so many speakers, and this is only a happy occasion. Just we are launching website, and our idea is to provide information about the conference to the users throughout India and also abroad. So with this, thank you for listening. Thank you very much. So over to Dr. Patrick.
Thank you so much, sir. And I quickly acknowledge in our presence, we have the past president of IAA, that's Dr. D. Obul Reddy, sir, Professor K.V. Achalapati, sir, Professor Prashant Atma, ma'am, Chairperson, Board of Studies, Head Department of Commerce, Professor T. Krishna Kumar, sir, Professor V. Usha Kiran, ma'am, Director, ICSSR OU and General Secretary of IAA, Dr. G. Naresh Reddy, the Treasurer of IAA Hyderabad branch, Professor D. Chennappa, Principal, University College of Commerce and Business Management, our guest of honor, that is Professor R. Limbadri, sir, Vice Chairperson of the Telangana State Council for Higher Education, and Professor G. Soral, President IAA, Professor Sanjay Bayani, General Secretary of IAA, and very much ahead we had Professor T. Papireddy, sir, Chairman of TSCHE, Government of Telangana. We have also in our midst Raghuveer, sir, Principal of IMC College, Dr. Ravi Akula from Mahatma Gandhi University, and all my other colleagues from the department, Dr. Naresh, Dr. Shekhar, Dr. Ravi, Dr. Sandhya, Dr. Sabia Sharif, and M. Venkatesh there. Now it's my turn to welcome the president of the IAA Hyderabad branch and one of the founding members of the Hyderabad branch, Professor D. Obul Reddy, sir, to briefly share his message on this occasion.
Sir, Obul Reddy sir, audio on చేయండి sir. Audio on చేయండి. Unmute చేయండి.
Now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Audible.
Okay, on behalf of Indian Accounting Association, Hyderabad branch, I welcome wholeheartedly Professor Papireddy Garu, Professor Limbadri, Professor Venkatramana, Professor Gopal Reddy Garu, Professor Soral, Professor Sanjay Bayani, Professor Apparao, and all other functionaries in the Department of Commerce. Once again, hearty welcome to all of you, and it is a happy occasion to launch the 43rd All India Accounting Conference website for the information of the readers, research writers, and for the information of our general public. Now, I also thank the AP State, Telangana State Council of Higher Education, Chairman and Vice Chairman for evincing interest in the conduct of the All India Accounting Conference. Sir, this is the second time we are organizing this conference. In 2005 also, we have organized this conference with a grand success. This year also, we wanted to do that, but because of the corona, and we are not able to do that. Now, at least now, the process is on with the launching of the website, and I wish the website program all success. Thank you all. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir, for your brief message there. Now it's my turn to invite Professor K.V. Achalapati, sir, the past president of IAA and one of the founding members of the IAA Hyderabad branch.
Good morning to all of you. Professor D. Obul Reddy Garu, the president of the function and also president of the Indian Accounting Association Hyderabad chapter. The chief guest of the function, Professor Papireddy Garu, the chairman, State Council of Higher Education, vice chairman, Professor Limbadri Garu, Professor Venkatramana Garu, registrar of the Osmania University, guest of honor, Professor Gopal Reddy Garu, then all the functionaries of the department, including head of the department, Professor Krishna Kumar, Professor Usha Kiran, the General Secretary, the Professor Apparao, the main bridegroom of the program, and all the colleagues in the department. It's my privilege to be here as a founder member and also the past president of the Indian Accounting Association Hyderabad chapter. It is at the my guru Professor Obul Reddy's initiative. We have gone to Jodhpur and then started this IAA Hyderabad branch with 105 members at that time. Now it has come up to 180 members. I'm really very happy the way in which it is being developed. For the information of Professor Papireddy Garu and other chairpersons, etc., I would like to inform that this IAA conference we got with a very and hectic efforts and high cooperation from Professor G. Soralji, because there was a big competition from the Belgaum. Vice Chancellor of the university himself was interested in launching, but because it is a 75th year of celebrations of the Department of Commerce and also the 50th of this one together, we thought that it should be hosted by Usmania University. With great effort, we got this, sir. Number one. Number two, Indian Accounting Association Hyderabad chapter is playing a significant role now at the All India level, also with the leadership of the Professor G. Soral and Professor Sanjay Bayani. Our Hyderabad chapter is there in the professional development, professional organization. ICWS, ACS, all the three institutions today are going to work in tandem with the IAA, with the initiative of our president and the committee in which Professor Usha Kiran is also there. In that particular committee, and Hyderabad chapter is playing a significant role in integrating with CA, ICWA, ACS at the All India level. That's number one. Number two, Bachelor of Accounting is a new nomenclature we are proposing, and this proposal we are planning it to give it to the UGC. For that, I am in the curriculum development committee. I am also involved in the All India Accounting Association. Is now seriously considering about the preparing we have already prepared the syllabus, and it will have to be approved in the executive committee and also at the AGM, and it will go to the All India level for UGC recognition for a separate nomenclature of Bachelor of Accounting, sir. That is and that also Hyderabad chapter is playing a significant role. And then Sanjay Kalapur from ISB has joined in IAA Hyderabad as a member, and he is likely to head one international journal to be launched by the IAA. This is also, we are making a serious efforts, and that will also, Hyderabad is playing a significant role. This is what I wanted to give picture. Such an important organization is conducting. As you know, pandemic has made most of the private colleges inaccessible to us today for approaching them for the funds. Therefore, we are looking for the Telangana State Council of Higher Education to play a significant role in supporting us. We have three options, out of which one option is to postpone till June and then conduct only physical. Second option is to conduct online in the January, February itself. Third option, which I am suggesting, is a blended one with physical conference to be conducted where executive council members will come here. About 50 are there. Another 50 will come from all over in India. From those 50 will come from there. And here, whatever permitted, I believe at present we have 100. It may go to 150 or 200 by March or April. In the month of March, those within the Telangana will present papers on physical basis, and those other than Telangana, they are from other states, they will be presenting online. So blended one, I don't advise the thing to be postponed up to June, July, because that will lose the beauty of the conference. This is what I would, even after 6 months also, there is no guarantee that we can have 1,000 members or 700 members. It is a big challenging. This is my just suggestion. So decision has to be taken by the IAA at the All India level, executive committee, and also by the conference person who is batting. He is the right person to take right decision. We are only advisors as a past president. So with this, I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Also welcome Professor Ashok Yashki sir, Principal of Bhavans College also in our midst, and our colleague Dr. Shailaja as well. Now it's my time to invite Professor Prashant Atma ma'am, the Chairperson Board of Studies in Commerce, Usmania University, to give a message on this occasion. Over to you, Prashant ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Patrick. The chief guest of today's program, Professor Papireddy Garu, Chairman, Telangana State Council of Higher Education, guest of honor, Professor R. Limbadi, and Professor Venkatamana, Vice Chairman, Telangana State Council of Higher Education, my Guru, Professor Obul Reddy, President, IAA Hyderabad Branch, Professor K.V. Achalapati, past President, IAA, the guest of honor, Head Department of Commerce, Professor Krishna Kumar, the main person behind the program, Professor V. Apparo, Conference Secretary, Professor Usha Kiran, Director, ICSR, SRC, my colleagues in the department, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Conference Secretary of 43rd All India Accounting Conference, which is going to be hosted by the Department of Commerce, Osmania University, Professor V. Apparo, for taking the initiative to launch the website, official website of the conference. We all know that in this pandemic situation, it's very difficult to organize the conference in the near future, maybe in within 3 to 6 months. It's not possible, but launching a website will definitely enable the conference secretary and the team to post the necessary information relating to All India Accounting Conference. I'm sure that all the information which is required by the would-be participants will be definitely posted through the website. And we are hopeful that this pandemic situation will overcome, and maybe in 6 or 8 months, we'll go for offline conference, so that the beauty of hosting a conference, the department will not miss, and also the participants would not miss. If it's not possible, then definitely the other alternative is online mode. Whether it is offline or online, the conference is conference. And I'm sure the conference secretary, Professor Apparo, will come out with flying colors, hosting the conference in a beautiful manner. And we wish that all the information is being posted in a neat manner in the website, and also the conference will be held in a successful way. My very best to conference secretary and his team members. Good luck. Over to Patrick.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your message and the good wishes that you have for the conference there. Now it's my turn to invite our Head Department of Commerce, Professor T. Krishna Kumar sir, to give his message on this occasion. Krishna Kumar sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Respected Papireddy Garu, our chief guest, our Registrar Garu, Professor P.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, Limbadi Garu and Venkatamana Garu, our guest of honor, and we have the functionaries of All India Accounting Association, Sural Garu and Sanjay Brian Garu, and our gurus, our mentors are here. I'm very happy to see our mentor and guru, Professor D. Obul Reddy Garu. I'm very, very happy. I'm grateful to Apparo because he has brought all the people together, and also my friend K.V. Achalapati. But I'm not saying it is good to have pandemic situation, but only thing is I tell the only benefit that we got because of this is we could meet so many people, and I'm very, very thankful to my friend Professor Apparo, and he is going to organize this grand event, 43rd All India Accounting Conference. I'm very, very happy. He has got all the qualities required to organize this program. He's such a person who can take everyone from the department together, and he has got balanced personalities, and I can tell you, in our words, perhaps to speak, he has got a lot of emotional intelligence. He can take people like me also, because the reason is I'm not so emotionally stable. That's what I feel, and because I swing a lot in mood, and then my friend Professor Prashant, everyone in the department is feeling only one thing. This is our conference we are organizing, and my friend Apparao has got uh, those qualities. The way he's organizing this program, this launching a website, indicates that he's involving everyone in the department, and everybody is getting a feeling that this is our program. And with this kind of attitude, he's going to make this program a grand success. I wish him all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your good wishes and the crisp message that you have shared with us. Now it's my turn to welcome Professor B. Usha Kiran, ma'am, Director ICSSR OU and Director for the Directorate of Placements and General Secretary of IAA Hyderabad branch. Ma'am, we're waiting for your message. Over to you, Usha, ma'am.
Thank you, Patrick. A very good morning to all the dignitaries, Professor Papireddy sir, the chief guest, and Professor Gopal Reddy, Professor Venkatramana, Professor Limbadri, and Professor G. Soral sir, and also Professor Sanjay Bayani, all the guests of honor, and all the distinguished speakers, and my dear friends in the department and all the participants. A very good morning to all of you. I welcome all of you on behalf of IAA Hyderabad and also from the Department of Commerce for this launching of website for the 43rd All India Accounting Conference. And already Professor Achalapati told us about how actively the IAA Hyderabad is participating. I would like to add, one or 2 points more. Here we have got a strong contingent of 181 members who have got very good organizing skills, and given any kind of platform or given any kind of situation, we are ready to carry out the conference. That is the confidence we have in all our members. And also further, this conference is going to be it will be giving more academic inputs. Further, like we will be concentrating more on the academic inputs. And one thing I would like to tell that I think for the past 20 years, the Hyderabad members are very active in participating in the conferences. And out of these 20 conferences, I think we have got around 18 to 20 best paper research awards. That is something, which shows that everybody is serious about the academics and also, making the conferences very successful. Further, at all India level also, we are trying our best to put our words and also to take up the activities whichever are given under the leadership of Professor G. Soral and also Professor Sanjay Bayani. Because this year, it's a very, very active year, what I feel compared to the earlier years. We have got so much of activity which is being taken up by the All India Accounting Association. This is a most welcome step. And of course, to match that, we will also from our side contribute, for the development of All India Accounting Association. And as far as this particular conference is concerned, whether it is online mode or offline mode, we will be doing our best, and we wish that the information reaches to each and everybody who would like to participate in the conference. And with this small message, I wish all the best to Professor Apparao. We are there with you, definitely, and we all will make this program very successful. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, thanks a lot, ma'am, for your message and the good wishes for this conference. Now it's my turn to invite the principal of University College of Commerce and Business Management, Professor D. Chennappa, to give his message on this occasion. Professor D. Chennappa, sir.
Yeah, good morning, one and all. Dr. Patrick, am I audible?
Audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good
Yes,
morning,
sir.
one and all. And for this online website launching program of 43 All India Accounting Conference, which is going to be organized by the Department of Commerce, Usman University, in coming months. I welcome one and all. I also welcome today's chief guest, Professor T. Papireddy, Chairman, Telangana State Council for Higher Education. And guests of honors, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, Registrar Usmania University, and senior most guest of honors, Professor R. Limbadri, Professor V. Venkatramana, and retired professor from the department and president of the Hyderabad chapter, Professor D. Obul Reddy, and active member, the retired Professor Achalapati Sulochana Madam, and our head, Professor Krishna Kumar, and chairman, Professor Prashant Atma, then the director of ICICI, Professor Usha Kiran, and today he is a bridegroom and organizing secretary, Professor V. Appara, and my colleagues in the department and constant colleges. Really, it is a wonderful opportunity to the department and particularly to the college. Just look back to this. Usmania University is a 100 years old university. It has rich experience in organizing so many mega events. You might have seen before last year, this university has organized 100 years celebrations, which was inaugurated by the President of India, then Pranab Mukherjee, where the more than 15,000 delegates were present over there. Then coming to the Department of Commerce also, we have very rich experience in organizing the mega events. Like when the Professor Bobul Reddy was there in 1997, he organized 1997. He organized himself as All India Commerce Conference in the year 1997. And then when it is coming to the 2005, Professor K.V. Achalapati, he was the conference secretary, he organized the All India Accounting Conference. Then moving the ball, looking about the 2008.
Seven.
Professor Purushottam Rao organized the All India Commerce Conference, and 2018, very recently, Professor H. Venkateshwarlu organized All India Commerce Conference, where the more than 6,000 delegates were present over there. And we feel it is a great an opportunity to organize. This is a 43 All India Accounting Conference. Definitely, why I have revealed all these things, we are capable, we are seasonal, we are skilled with not only speaking, we are computerized savvies, and university has huge infrastructure facilities. We have so many auditoriums, so many guest house, faculty, clubs, we have so much of infrastructure we have. Therefore, we are very confident that we are going to be organized this 40th All India Accounting Conference in a grander manner. And I appeal to my organizers, only one thing is required, is the legwork is required. Though it may be pandemic or non-pandemic, situation is good, and according to the situation, we have to move around it. Therefore, the legwork is very, very essential to make it any program a grand successful. It depends upon to our movement. It depends upon to our inviting to the all eminent people from across the globe even. With this few remarks, as a principal of this college, wholeheartedly I welcome. Fullest cooperation is going to be given to organize this 40th All India Accounting Conference. And I wish you that this 40th All India Accounting Conference is going to be very, very, very successful. I also thank all the dignitaries, like those people of where they are spending huge time, like Professor G. Saral, President of All India Accounting Association, Professor Sanjay Bayani, General Secretary of All India Accounting Association, and many more office bearers. With the support of all these people, definitely we will make it this program is a very, very grand success. With these few remarks, I wish you best of luck. Good luck to Professor Appala.
Thank you so much, sir, for all your assurances, support, and promises for the forthcoming accounting conference we're going to have in Hyderabad. Now it's my turn to request Professor R. Limbadri Garu, Vice Chairman, Telangana State Council for Higher Education, Government of Telangana, to give his message on this occasion. Limbadri, sir.
Thank you, Patrick. Good morning, everyone. Our today chief guest, Professor Papireddy Garu, Chairman, Telangana State Council of Higher Education, Professor Venkatramana Garu, Vice Chairman, my colleague, and Professor Gopal Reddy Garu, Registrar, Usmania University, Professor G. Sorel, President, Indian Accounting Association, Professor Sanjay Bayari, General Secretary, Sri Obul Reddy Garu, Professor Achalapati Garu, Professor Prashant Atma Garu, Professor Krishna Kumar, Head of the Department, Professor Chennappa, Principal of the College, Professor Usha Kiran Garu, Director ICSR, and Professor Apparao, Secretary of this organizing of this conference, and other colleagues from the various departments, particularly for the Commerce Department. At the outset, I congratulate the organizing secretary and entire team for taking initiative to conduct the Indian Accounting Association conference in Hyderabad. Really, it is a challenging time because of this COVID-19 pandemic situation. We have been facing number of problems. In spite of that, we are planning to conduct a conference in Hyderabad. Really, it should be an appreciable work in the field of academics is concerned. Particularly the commerce faculty in all association, that may be a commerce association or that may be the Indian Accounting Association, you are all doing excellent work for the development of the academics in general, particularly in Telangana. Why I am saying in particularly in Telangana, you people are motivating the students in terms of designing the curriculum every time and making the students more
Voice disconnect అయింది సార్, వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అయింది.
in the field of commerce and accounting is concerned. That's why you are able to attract the more number of students in commerce faculty in terms of admissions are concerned. I am looking to the in the degree admissions, you are the best in attracting the students for undergraduate courses. You have a specialized colleges for meeting the demands of the students and society is concerned. For that, I congratulate all the faculty for making a more employable and knowledgeable in a particular discipline of our students are concerned. And I would like to mention one thing with the permission of our Honorable Chairman Sri Papireddy Garu, that the Telangana State Council is going to have a project on curriculum development in collaboration with the British Council, Liberal Arts and Commerce. So for that also, we seek your support and cooperation in designing the best curriculum for development of our students are concerned. With these few words, I once again congratulate Professor Apparao Garu for his initiative and all the senior faculty members for making this type of event in Hyderabad, and I wish it become a grand success in that event. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. In spite of the schedule related with GOST and the other organizations, being an apex body for the higher education, you've taken time out to be a part of this program there. I first seek if Professor V. Venkatramana, sir, is there in our midst there. Professor V. Venkatramana, sir. Okay. Probably sir would be joining us a bit late. Then it's my turn.
Sir is not available, sir.
Yeah. We have one of our patrons for this accounting conference, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, sir, Registrar Usmania University, sir. Sir is from Department of Physics and served various academic and admin posts in our university there. So it's my turn to welcome Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, sir, Registrar Osmania University, to give his message.
Thank you very much, Patrick. First of all, I'm very happy to be associated with this program. The Chief Patron and Chairman, State Council of Higher Education, Professor T. Papireddy Garu, Sir Limbadri, Vice Chairman, State Council of Higher Education. Professor Venkatramana is not there. Professor G. Soral, President, Indian Accounting Association. Professor Bayani, General Secretary, Indian Accounting Association. Professor Dean, Faculty of Commerce, and Conference Secretary for this conference. Professor Chennappa, Principal, University of Commerce. Professor Krishna Kumar, Head, Department of Commerce. Professor Prashant Atma, Madam, Chairperson, Board of Studies of Commerce. Professor Usha Kiran, Madam, Organizing Secretary for this conference, and also Director, ICSS Southern Region. And other senior teachers who are actually our gurus, Professor Obul Reddy sir, Professor Achalapati, and other distinguished participants in this program. Once again, I'm very happy, and I'm also thankful to the organizers for making me a part of this program. Of course, I'm sure that this program, this conference, which is I think going to be conducted in the month of February, if I'm right, is going to be highly successful because as the previous speakers were saying that our department in Osmania University Commerce Department is very strong department and is known to conduct such programs successfully. Recently, they also conducted the Commerce Indian this Commerce Conference with collaboration with the Indian Commerce Association. A huge gathering was there, and it was very successful conference. This was conducted on the occasion of centenary celebrations. And time to time, the Commerce Department is also conducting so many programs, so many conferences, workshops, seminars, very successfully, and particularly in the areas which are relevant to the current scenario. This department is known to conduct various conferences, various programs. I wholeheartedly congratulate and appreciate my colleague, my friend, Professor Apparao, for taking this initiative for conducting this conference on Indian accounting. This thing, you all know that it's a very relevant area, and it is ever relevant actually, accounting practices, because every it's a continuously changing actually field. The accounting practices, because in view of this not only COVID situation, but we are now in a technology era, and so therefore we should adapt to the new technologies in terms of accounting also. Is digital accounting is there, accounting practices are there. So it is the need of our that this area must be strengthened, and the only way is that the department like ours should take up this initiative to conduct such programs, so that the wide awareness can be created in that particular area. So I once again congratulate, and I wish that this program, whenever it is conducted, it will be physical rather than online. I'm sure that by the time we conduct this program in the month of this conference in the month of February, I think we will go for a physical kind of conference only, so that very large number of people, so many experts, I think will be coming. So all of them can interact, and I think they can come out with a certain a kind of very guidelines kind of thing. And because the physical interaction is something different than the online kind of thing. Anyway, we are in a situation, COVID-19 situation is there. So of course we are now conducting through online, but at least when we go for the actual conference, I wish that it will be physical kind of conference. With these few words, I am sure that our department will be successfully conducting this program, and I wish our department, Professor Apparao and all his colleagues in the department, all the best. And of course, thank you very much for inviting me here. Thank you very much. Right, Aparao.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir, for taking time and sharing a message with us in our midst in this auspicious occasion there. Now, we are really glad that we have members from the apex body, that is the national level of the Indian Accounting Association, being a part of this inauguration of the website. And it's my turn to welcome a very seasoned teacher and academician, Professor G. Soral, sir, President of the Indian Accounting Association, to give his message on this occasion.
Thank you. Good morning to all. I believe I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. At this auspicious ceremony, I would say, of the launching of the website for 43rd All India Accounting Conference. I welcome all the esteemed guests and eminent speakers here present. To name them, Chief Guest Professor T. Papi Reddy Sahab, Guest of Honor Professor R. Limbadri ji, Professor V. Venkat Ramanji, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy ji, my colleague Professor Sanjay Bhayani ji, General Secretary IEA, then guest speakers Professor D. Obul Reddy Garu, Professor G.V. K.V.S. Lapati Garu, Professor Prashant Atma ji, Professor T. Krishna Kumar ji, Professor D. Chenappa ji, Professor V. Usha Kiran ji, and my dear friend, and as they have been named very right, in Hindi we call it Dule Raja, which we named as the bridegroom here. So I am fond of calling him like that, being a close friend also. Professor V. Apparao, all the team members supporting Professor Apparao in organizing this, and ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of Indian Accounting Association, would like to extend a very warm welcome to all those who are listening to me at the moment, and thank all those who have come up to the support of Professor V. Apparao, who will be the conference secretary for our forthcoming conference here. I also take this opportunity in thanking all my previous speakers who have extended their unstinted support for the conference, and those who wished well to the conference. As have been mentioned, that the Osmania University and in particular the Department of Commerce are very capable and seasoned persons to organize such gala event. Yes, I am myself is the witness. I have joined several programs there, some of which have already been named and some of which have not been named. Like what Professor Usha Kiran Madam mentioned, that not only in terms of infrastructure and the facilities that you provide for the conferences and all, but in terms of the academic input which you make, we have really witnessed the quality of research which Hyderabad and the nearby areas produce, and so many best paper awards you have been taking. In addition, also, I have attended several conferences, particularly which were organized under the leadership of Professor K.V.S. Lapati Sahab. And, where so many international speakers, those times when these Zoom meetings, etc., were not common, I have seen there what quality of conferences in terms of the academic inputs have been organized by the Hyderabad branch. So when the association resolved that the 43rd conference will be held at Hyderabad under the auspices of Osmania University, in particular, I was very happy because I know the type of conference it is going to be in all regards. So about that, I'm very sure. And on behalf of the national body also, let me join other friends in telling Professor Apparao, though informally I have already told him this thing, that we will always be in your support. Anything which you need, we know that we also have organized conferences earlier, that it's a marathon task. It is even, I as used to call, much more difficult than organizing one's own daughter's wedding. So difficult, so challenging. But I am very sure the type of personality which Professor V. Apparao is, a quiet and calm person, very balanced, what we call in Sanskrit, Sthit Pragya Vyakti. The conference is really going to scale newer heights. Friends, taking this opportunity, I would also like to take a few minutes on talking to you about the Indian Accounting Association. Like Professor Ashlapati in particular mentioned just before about the contribution of Hyderabad and Hyderabad chapter and the Osmania University in particular in the various activities of at the national level of Indian Accounting Association. This year, with the cooperation of all of you and the fraternity all over the country, association has tried to take some unique initiatives and they are going ahead in a bit successful way. And we all are looking forward to have great achievements in that regard. Few of them, as have been mentioned regarding the preparation of model curriculum, you may all understand that thinking afresh about developing accounting as a separate discipline, thinking about a Bachelor of Accounting, a Master of Accounting, and so many other diploma, certification, and certificate programs in accounting must have been a marathon task. But with the very capable persons like one is represent over here, Professor K.V. Ashlapati, and other very senior persons, with their hard work and the support they could muster from youngsters, we have now already prepared a draft curriculum. And I'm very hopeful that this is going to give a great shape to accounting discipline in terms of studies in universities. Friends, we have also come up with the professional committees liaison that also been mentioned by Professor Ashlapati ji. And in that also, under chairmanship of Professor K. Iresi, we are moving ahead, and Professor Usha Kiran is also a very contributing member into that committee, that we are going ahead. Among the few more prominent achievements of Indian Accounting Association this year, which I may share with you, is that we have started now, responding to the calls given by International Accounting Standard Board. As many of you are aware that we have now the International Financial Reporting Standards as the international language of accounting, and India is also one of the signatories of those standards. We have almost adopted those standards also. Now this year we started responding to the exposure draft given by the IASB, and I am very glad to share with all of you that our one such commentary draft from association has been accepted by the international body, and they are shortly going to put it on their public domain for public inspection. So there again, we are trying to make a mark. Our General Secretary is here, and we will be shortly listening to him also. I would like to share with you his contribution in particular, that because of his untiring efforts, we now have a very vibrant, high standard professional website where members can easily join, update their membership profile, print their iCards and everything. Like any international website, we have that professionally designed website now. Another achievement that we could make under with the special efforts of Professor N.M. Khandelwal Sahab is that, as have been mentioned, that friends, we are now more than 50-year-old association in the country, and majority of the journals which this association has already published are already in an scanned form available on the website for public inspection, and they are in a searchable mode. And we are even continuing to go for very old publications of the IJA to digitize and put on the website. So that way we hope that we are really making some mark in the area of serving our members. One more, I think I have one more minute to share with you. What also was hinted by Professor Ashlapati ji, we are very serious and making concerted efforts to increase the publication opportunities offered by IJA. We are planning for more e-journals. We are planning for such international reputed journals also here. And we are also trying to revamp our IJA, particularly to serve our members on the count of publications. So these are few, and I am very sure with the type of the vibrance which association has, with the type of about 6,400 plus members that we have, with 54 branches and one more branch in pipeline at the moment, which we will be declaring maybe in coming month. We are very capable in Indian Accounting Association to serve the discipline of accounting and also to serve the younger community. With that, I wish well this function in particular and congratulate the Osmania University, because all senior persons are here. I also congratulate and thank the State Council of Higher Education, all senior persons are here, and request on my behalf also for their great support to this event, and wish well the forthcoming event. Whatever mode of conduct of the conference we decide, that will take time, but I am very sure the way the organizers under the leadership of Professor V. Appa Rao has come up with the website, and they have given a message that the show must go on. Whatever problems come, academics should not stop at one step, and then therefore they thought of designing this website, and now we are launching it. You see, the mode will be decided depending upon the situation, but the crux of the conference of this scale, the academics will not be harmed, because the fraternity would be ready with their papers. research will continue without any interruption. We will have enough time for reviewing the papers and finalizing them for the conference. And in any case, we will definitely, God willing, have a grand conference again in Hyderabad. With that, thank you very much for inviting me here. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. You've always been a good friend.
One sentence, Professor.
Please.
Yeah, just I wanted to announce that, sir, Kakatiya University also, we have launched one more branch. We have given leadership, and then now Kakatiya University Department of Commerce under Professor Rajender has started a new branch. It is our byproduct, Usman University. Thank you.
That's good. Yeah. Thank you very much.
You,
very good news. Thank you.
Now he also joined in this program, sir.
Okay.
Dr. Rajendra also in our program now. He is there.
Good. He is there. Okay. Congratulations, Dr. Rajendra. Congratulations. Yeah.
Welcome to Dr. Rajendra. Thank you so much to Professor G. Soraka for updating us with all the developments that have happened with the website and the future plans that the Indian Accounting Association is in store for. And it's my turn to welcome Professor Sanjay Biyani, the General Secretary of Indian Accounting Association, to share his message on this occasion.
Good morning to everybody. On the occasion of launching of 43rd IAA conference website.
Please loudly, sir.
Please loud, little loud.
Yeah. Good morning to everybody. On the occasions of launching of 43rd IAA All India Accounting Conference, the President of Indian Accounting Association, Professor G. Soral, Professor T. Papi Reddy, Chairman, Telangana Higher Education, Professor V. Venkatramana, Professor R. Limandri, Vice Chairman, Professor Apparao, Professor Achanapati, Professor Ubal Reddy, Vice Chancellors of the University, Registrar, and all other members of the Indian Accounting Association Hyderabad branch. As being a General Secretary, first of all, I would like to thank you, Professor T. Papi Reddy, for sparing his valuable time on this occasion for launching of 43rd All India Accounting Conference website. I am very happy that the state highest authority is taking a very keen interest to motivate such academic activities. So from my bottom of heart, I am thank you to sir for being a presence and motivating to the university academic teachers deliberate on a vibrant way on a various vital accounting and other issues. So on this occasion, I am not going to take much more time. Our president has already mentioned several activities. So our motto and objective is only to provide professional accounting education to entire country with this support to the various university, our all senior past president, our executive committee members, our all branch are functioning very well during the last 9 months in a pandemic. We never take any rest, and we have organized a series of conferences, webinar, faculty development program to provide this output to the Indian education system in line of the national new education policy. So with this thing, I congratulate to Professor Apparao, and we sure that they will definitely organize a very quality conference in terms of academic deliberation, and we wish him all the success, and we are ready to provide all the support to this team of IAA Hyderabad. Thank you for providing me an opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking time out and making your presence and sharing your message on this occasion. Now, any important meeting would be incomplete without invoking the presence of God in our presence there. And for this, I invite our colleague, Dr. B. Sandhya, to lead us with a prayer before I invite Professor T. Papi Reddy, sir, for launching of the website and his address. I request Dr. B. Sandhya to lead us with a prayer.
Good afternoon to all. Let us launch the website with the divine blessings of God. I request all the participants to pay attention, all the dignitaries to pay attention.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada. Shatrubuddhi Vinashaya
సంధ్యాచి వీడియో సరిగా రావట్లేదు చూడండి, వీడియో ఆడియో.
ఆరోగ్యం ధన సంపద శత్రుబుద్ధి వినాశాయ దీపజ్యోతిర్నమోస్తుతే దీపజ్యోతిర్నమోస్తుతే శుభం కురుత్వం కళ్యాణం ఆరోగ్యం ధన సంపద శుభం కురుత్వం కళ్యాణం ఆరోగ్యం ధన సంపద
Okay.
Thank you, Sandhya ma'am.
Over to Patrick.
Yeah, thank you, Sandhya ma'am. Pray that this light will go about with leading us from the darkness of pandemic and work for all the good reasons and blessings invoked from the Almighty there. Now, we are really happy and glad to have in our midst the chief guest for this function and for the launching of the website. Now, I invite Professor T. Papireddy, sir, to launch the website and share his message. Thank you so much, sir. Before everybody else, you had joined into the meeting then.
Hello.
Hello. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you got it.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Shall I launch the website?
Sir, click చేయరా మీరు చేస్తారా సార్? Papireddy sir.
చేస్తాను.
చేయరా?
ఓకే.
అన్నారు ఆయనే చేయండి. సార్ చేస్తా అన్నారు.
ఓకే
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
Audible
Okay,
and
sir.
videoable.
ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Yes, sir.
Launch it.
Hello.
వినబడుతుంది సార్. We are able to hear you.
Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Sir, ఒక్కసారి వెబ్సైట్ లింక్ లాంచ్
ఆన్ చేస్తారా
Yes,
సార్?
start చేసిన అయిపోయింది కదా. I have launched.
Yes, sir.
Click, sir. Click.
Yes, yes.
Enter. Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shall I start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Matter.
Good morning to all the participants of this webinar. Professor Limbadri Garu, Vice Chairman of Telangana State Council of Higher Education, Professor Gopal Reddy Garu, Registrar of Usman University, Professor Sogan Garu, the President of Indian Accounting Association, Professor Sanjay Ayani Garu, General Secretary, some disturbance is coming, please. General Secretary, Indian Accounting Association, and the Hyderabad Accounting Association, Ubal Reddy Garu, Echalapati Garu, Professor Echalapati Garu, Professor Chennappa Garu, Madam Professor Usha Kiran Garu, and the today's the Corporate Secretary, Professor V. Apparao Garu, and other participants of this webinar. Once again, good morning to all of you. On eve of 43rd All India Accounting Conference and the International Seminar on Accounting Education and Research, Telangana State, or maybe the Andhra Pradesh. I wholeheartedly congratulate the Usman University Commerce Department and the Apparao Garu, for this the organization has taken a very big initiation to conduct this seminar or conference with both Usman University Commerce Department as well as the Indian Accounting Association. I think this is a very good initiation and a good development for the university as well as the Telangana State and higher education, because the Indian Accounting Association is one of the very prestigious associations in the commerce and the management area. I hope this Indian Accounting Association should be strengthened further, and whatever the expertise the Indian Accounting Association at all India level, the Osmania University also and Commerce Department should also actively participate, involve, and shape the future course of Indian accounting the practices. Now the every economy, the role of finance is very important. I know everybody knows the importance of the finance. Unless a vibrant financial the sector, any economy has to go further. This financial sector is very crucial and important. Even in this finance sector, accounting is a very important branch. Now the accounting is a very vital role they have to play to formulate the financial policies of the any corporate houses or any Indian public undertakings or any government sector. Therefore, we need to strengthen the accounting system on modern lines with the modern technology, digitalization, whatever the forms we are having, or whatever the availability of the technology or the inputs we are having. This one issue. As far as the 2 days conference, because of this coronavirus and the COVID-19, you are not in a position to organize in a very big way. Otherwise, the Osmania University and the Hyderabad state, Hyderabad or the Telangana state is ready to host in a big way. But unfortunately, because of COVID-19, we are unable to organize in a big way. Really, I congratulate the Commerce Department once again. This department has been doing very well for not only at the level of Telangana state or S12 Andhra Pradesh state, and even as far as all India level also, the Commerce Department of Osmania has a very good reputation and good name. And this is a very commendable job they are doing. When I requested 3 years ago for the CBSE common core syllabus for all the universities, they did a commendable job. They incorporated all the latest changes in the commerce field. That is why we have always a fashion toward the Commerce Department of Osmania. I hope in future also the department should keep this flag a high esteem. As far as the Apparo Garu, the Chalapati, and even the Professor Soral Garu, they have requested the financial assistance to the this event. Definitely, I appeal to you to come with the right kind of the proposal. We will definitely take a positive note and positive way. We will definitely give the financial assistance in whatever the manner, whatever the rules, regulations we are having. Again, this accounting is a problem for even our state council also. Within the stipulated system, we have definitely helped in a maximum way. And even the other things, the vice chairman has mentioned. Recently, the British Council of India, they have extended 90 lakhs rupees to the Telangana state to advance the liberal arts and the commerce department. In the advancement areas, they want the change the curriculum, they want the research, the changes in the field of the economy, field of the commerce, trade, whatever may be there. They wanted to incorporate all the changes in their in our university curriculum. Therefore, I am also requesting on behalf of the State Council and the British Council of Indian branch. We required your expertise, not only from the Osmania University Commerce Department. Even I request the Soral sir and the Indian Accounting Association also give the right kind of inputs to upgrade the syllabus. Now we need a major concern to all the universities. Now the universities we have been encoding a major challenge. Whatever the syllabi or curriculum now we are having is not up to the mark of the latest changing in the economy or the technology or the requirements of the corporate houses or the companies. Therefore, we need to upgrade the curriculum or syllabi to suit the needs of the changing economy, changing the various sectors of the economy. Therefore, under the State Council, I've been planning to set up a cell in Osmania University and Karthik University with the help of the State Council to finance this cell to upgrade the teachers' knowledge, not only the commerce in all other disciplines also. That we are going to have the plan and whatever the expenditure incurred on this account, the State Council will entirely give the 100% the support to the university. This kind of the program is there. I request all the commerce teachers, those who are in the webinar, you have to take it very seriously. Why? Because the 40% of the enrollment of the part of the Telangana is from the commerce. Sir, this is one very important development in Telangana state. Out of the entire degree admissions of BA, BSc, BCom, more than 40% of the people are enrolling in the commerce related either. That shows the immense the clout and importance of the commerce among the students. Therefore, we need to upgrade and to take the students' career a very paramount importance for the universities as well as the State Council and the government also. Therefore, I request all the learned people in this webinar to upgrade, to take some innovative measures to upgrade not only the curriculum, to identify certain emerging areas where can we offer the certificate course or some diploma or some any other this type of the 6 months or 1 year or 4 months, whatever that may the short-term courses may help or may strengthen their career for seeking any job or any self-employment or anything. Therefore, with these the observations, I once again congratulate the Osmania University Commerce Department as well as the Indian Accounting Association for this webinar or the conference will be successful, and they may add some more the knowledge of the with all the existing knowledge. With these few words, I thank the organizers, and I really am also thankful to them to invite me as the chief guest of this very prestigious and important webinar on the Indian accounting system. With these few observations, I congratulate once again for a fruitful discussions will take place. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot to Professor T. Papireddy, sir, the chairman of the Telangana State Council for Higher Education. Thanks a lot, sir, for all the promises, assurances, and the continued support that you lend to the department and all the kind words that you had for the Commerce Department. Now, before we proceed any further, I request Apparao, sir, to kindly navigate us through the website, which has been just launched by Papireddy, sir. Apparao, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tomorrow onwards you can see these are the fields. You just click here. For example, tentatively we have developed all these fields. You just see the screen. Like this. Here the home page, organizing committee. You get like this. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Visible, sir.
This is the Indian IAA office bearers list. Then we have given guidelines for paper contributors. Now, travel information also we are providing, but without dates and without sufficient information. Wherever dates are there, we have mentioned dates will be communicated later, but we have given almost total information. Then this is about the conference sessions. Then the users can see the title and who is the chairperson, like that. So for all 5 sessions, I have given information here. Then order with address also. Now, that was కనబడుతుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
So just I will scroll. This is 8-page brochure.
Brochure, sir.
Technically, we have developed again without dates and without mode of conduct. This is the first page. Then
Hold on.
This is second page about conference and about Indian Accounting Association, right side. Then we have mentioned briefly about Indian Accounting Association Hyderabad branch here below. Here briefly we have mentioned about Usman University on the left side, about the Department of Commerce on the right side, blue background, and with photo, that is our college photo. This is about Telangana state with pictures, and also we have given Hyderabad city pictures. And here travel information, say whatever we have given in the website, just we have mentioned here how to connect with Hyderabad and reach Hyderabad information with photos again. And here conference sessions, left side with titles. On the right side, we have given guidelines. Technical session 1, digital accounting. The chairperson is Professor Daksha Chauhan, Department of Commerce and Business Administration from Saurashtra University. Second session, tax accounting. Chairperson, Professor Avadesh Tiwari from Deen Dayal Upadhyaya, Gorakhpur University. Third session, corporate disclosure and compliance. Chairperson, Satyajit Dhar from University of Kalyani, West Bengal. Then this is International Seminar on Accounting Education. Chairperson is Professor M. Sulochana from our university, retired professor, Department of Commerce. International Seminar on Accounting Research, Chairperson Professor M. Munirazu from Bangalore University, Karnataka. Now guidelines on the right side. Then important here we have mentioned tentatively the last date for paper submission with abstract 31st/1/2021 we have kept. And again, we will discuss and review the situation. And other dates, just I have mentioned, will be announced later, like that. The last date for registration and all that. Okay, now registration fee also we have kept for information's sake. This is like this, without late fee, with late, whatever existing rates are there, we have given. And bank details without number we have given, but we have taken permission to open bank account. We will open, and once we start registration, we will also provide bank account here. This is a page, Indian Accounting Association Office Bearers National Body, starting with the chairman and say joint treasurer ending. So these are the office bearers. So saris from Rajkot, from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Professor Saurabh, just now you have seen. Professor M.L. Vadera from say Jaipur. Earlier he worked in Jodhpur, Jainar University, and now he is working in Manipal University. And Junior Vice President Professor Jasraj Bohra from say Jainar University, Jodhpur. And Professor Sanjay Bayani is from Rajkot, Saurashtra University. He is also now on the line. Then others from different places. Professor Arindam Gupta, Treasurer from Midnapur, West Bengal. Professor Gabriel Simon Tatil from Chief Editor from Kerala University of Kerala. And Prakash Sharma, Joint Secretary from University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. And Dr. Ashok Agarwal, Joint Treasurer from Rajasthan University, Jaipur. Now we have Chief Patron, just now we have seen Papareddy sir, and our in charge Vice Chancellor is Arvind Kumar IAS. Then we have patrons, Professor Limbadri sir, just now he spoke. Professor V. Venkatramana, also another Vice Chairman, our Registrar Gopal Reddy sir, and we have Professor T. Krishna Rao, OSD to Vice Chancellor. And this is a Competence Secretariat, Advisory Council on the right side. Professor Obul Reddy, Professor Acharpati sir, Prashant Atman, Professor R.K. Mishra, P.R. Ramesh sir, KCH Navation Murthy garu, Durga Prasad, Sanjay Bayani, then Professor Rajaratnam, former Vice Chancellor, Parva University, Raghuveer sir, also is on the line, Professor Ashok from Bhavan's College, B. Maruti Rao, Joint Secretary, Indian Hyderabad chapter. Now, this is conveners on the left side. We have dynamic youngsters in the department. Almost all are in the program now. Dr. Shekhar Indrakanti, who is going to give a vote of thanks. Dr. G. Naresh Reddy, he is also there. Dr. Patrick, Dr. J. Ravi Kumar, Dr. V. Sanjarani. Then other faculty members from constituent colleges, Gangadhar, Krishna Chaitanya, Ranjani, Kavita Devi, Najia Sultana. We have, say, 3 constituent colleges. One is Women's University College for Women, Koti, and Nizam College. And third is PG College, Secunderabad. So all these, say, 12 teachers are, 11 teachers are working in other colleges. So they are also part of our department. This is contact information. And with this, this is right. And 1 minute. Now, on the right side, for example, if you again go for a home page, here you will get login page here. Candidate or users have to log in with the email ID and password. And if they enter, they will get again instructions for registration process. These are the instructions. Then this is application form for registration category. Here, say past presidents, IAA non-life member, first life members, second past presidents, past presidents, present president, executive members, IAA non-life member category. There are actually 5 categories. All these categories will appear on the screen. And department, this is just information, and submission of paper, session name and the title of the paper, author name, everything we have given. Accompanying persons we have given 1, and travel details also we are providing if it is a offline mode, payment and like this. Then home page. Then registration. Actually, if you enter the data one by one, users can access. So on the right side, we have given other information about, for example, about the Osman University. If they click, they will get about the Osman University. On the top tabs, we have given some information. Right side also we have given. So then again, we can go to home page. Then about the Department of Commerce, we will get your information. Whatever information is there in the brochure, again, consolidated information available in brochure, and website form information available in different places. That is then about Telangana state also we have given. Here, this is about Telangana state with pictures. Then about Hyderabad city also we have given with pictures. Then bottom, this is common page for all the screens. So there will be right left side the title of the conference. Conference themes will appear always on the home screen, name of the conference secretary. Here also will, then here there will be information scrolling. Now presently we are scrolling. The conference dates and mode of conduct will be announced later due to pandemic COVID-19 pandemic situation. It will scroll on the top. So if any information is there, we can scroll, we can show in the website and it will be scrolled. So this is briefly about them. So if any changes are there, still there is a scope for refinement because right now we are not accepting registrations. That's why. So you can also see the website by entering into the website, and you can also suggest we will go for improvement also. So with this, so thank you for attending this program and viewing this program. So I am very happy for attending all the senior teachers and dignitaries for attending this program. Over to Patrick.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for navigating us through all the important icons that were just inaugurated by Papi Reddy, sir. It's my turn to invite our colleague, Dr. Indrakanti Shekhar, to present a formal vote of thanks on this occasion. Over to you, Dr. Indrakanti Shekhar.
Sir, approach, sir. Stop your screen sharing, sir.
Huh?
Stop your screen sharing, sir.
Okay, okay, నిమిషం ఇది పెద్దగా చేయాలి కదా ఎట్లా స్టాప్ చేయాలి ఒక్క నిమిషం
నేను చేసిన సార్ నేను చేసిన అయిపోయింది
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Patrick Ji. Can I? May I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Patrick Ji and Professor V. Apparao sir for giving this good responsibility. Very good afternoon, one and all. This is Dr. Indrakanti Shekhar. With a busy schedule of all many eminent personalities, those who are attended for this website launching, we are very happy and very thankful to one and all. And today's chief guest, Professor T. Papi Reddy Garu, Chairman TCA, Telangana Higher Education Council and Government of Telangana, who has launched the 43rd All India Accounting website today. And he was mentioned many things about the role of finance and accounting in the modern days, and 40% of the students are admitting into commerce education. He was appreciated the department. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your message. And I thank Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, Registrar Usmania University, who has given information about accounting area is emerging area in higher education. Is also mentioned good information about the department. I thank Professor R. Limbadri, Vice Chairperson, Telangana Higher Education, Government of Telangana, for his message, and he was recognized the department as the best in the higher education in academics also. I'm also thankful to Professor Sorel, President of All India Accounting Association. He was mentioned one or two important aspects, as this association is 50 years old, and also association is making a lot of facilities to the academicians like publications and journal and agreement to the international bodies. Thank you, sir, because we are all the members who are expecting these type of services. And I thanks to Professor Sanjay Bhayani, General Secretary, Indian Accounting Association, who has given a valuable message for this occasion. And also, I thankful today's speakers from the Department of Commerce, Usmania University. Started with from opening remarks by Professor V. Apparao sir, who is the bridegroom, as already many people have mentioned. He's also explained about the website and brochure and everything. And we are also thankful to the President, Indian Accounting Association, Hyderabad chapter, Professor Vobul Reddy Garu, for his blessings. And also Professor K.V. Achalapati, retired professor from the department. Sir also is given a good information about the physical attendance of blended physical attendance of this conference, and also online possibility, offline possibility. Good suggestions has given. And Professor Prashant Atma, Board of Studies, Department of Commerce. The madam also is given good information about the seminar and what is the possibilities for online and offline. And I thankful Professor T. Krishna Kumar sir, who has given message and blessings to this seminar, and Professor V. Usha Kiran madam, Director ICSSR. Madam also has given message about this situation, and Professor D. Chennappa sir, Principal UCCBM, Usmania University. Sir has mentioned how we have conducted All India Commerce Conference, the department, how the department has conducted centenary program and everything. I'm also thankful Dr. Patrick, Naresh, and Ravi and Sandhya, who has coordinated this program, and also thankful to the members in the department and constituent colleges all our department people and other people who are presented this program and other degree lecturers and Kakatiya University HOD Rajendra and other people who has attended and successful this program. I thankful one and all. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Over to Patrick.
Thank you.
Okay, I think I'll leave it to Apparao sir to call closing of the program.
Sir,
Apparao sir.
Namaste.
Namaste sir.
Oh, no, Channapati.
Channapati screen lo nenu unnanu.
Oh, very good. Thank you for joining. Ravi,
Congratulations, Apparao.
Ravi, thank you, madam. Thank you.
Congratulations. Well, it has begun well, and also the conference will end well. All is well. Good luck. Bye. See you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Small request.
Yes, sir.
Please start your video. We will take a group photograph.
Okay.
Please turn on your all videos, please. Sanjay ma'am. Achlapati sir. Achlapati sir. Raghuveer sir. B. Shailaja ma'am.
ఉన్నంత వరకు తీసుకుందాం.
Soral sir పోయినట్టుంది సార్.
Last second close చేస్తున్నాం. We are now disconnecting.
Apparao,
okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Arif, start your video.
I am very thankful to all the youngsters. Very systematically.
Congratulations, Apparao.
Thank you, madam.
Shailaja madam, start your video. Raghuveer sir.
ఏంటి నవీన్ అట్లా ఫోకస్ చేసిన వెంకటేష్?
Madam.
Congrats, sir.
Congrats, sir. Apparao, sir. Congrats.
Thank you. Evaru?
Manoj Kumar, sir. Nizamabad.
Thank you for attending. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, congratulations, Apparao, sir.
Thank you. This is only beginning, but there's a lot of work to do.
Sir, congrats.
Very good beginning, Apparao.
Sir.
Sir, we are ready to help.
Very good beginning, Apparao.
Actually, thank you, madam.
Sir, starting chala baagundi.
Online.
We are ready to help, sir.
Thank you. We will approach again. Because anyway.
Today successful program, sir. Congrats.
This is only trailer, sir. Only.
Launching of website day.
Congrats.
That's really wonderful. It's very good.
Thank you, madam. Because it is collective effort and all are there. I got confidence. Without the teachers, all are coming. Now everybody is there. So with this we can proceed.
వెంకటేష్ గ్రూప్ ఫోటో అయిందా? మేము వెళ్ళొచ్చా ఇంకా ఉంటా?
అయ్యింది మేడం ఓవర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అయిపోతే బై బై.
కాదు వెంకటేష్, ఒకసారి గ్రూప్ ఫోటో తీసుకునేటప్పుడు అందరు అటెన్షన్ అనాలి కదా.
అనాలి కదా.
ఎప్పుడో నీరు వచ్చినప్పుడు తీసుకుంటే ఎట్లా?
ఓకే మళ్ళీ
అటెన్షన్ అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ.
ఓకే మేడం. లెట్స్. ఓకే మేడం. 1 2 3. ఓకే మేడం.
Thank you. Good day.
One request, if it is offline or online, so we will do
Venkatesh photo share cheyi.
Sure sir.
Entire work and assign to different teachers who are working in constrained colleges. Everybody will be associated. So this is my submission to all the teachers. Because it is a collective effort, it is a question of university image and also department image. So individuals cannot do.
Meeting with Apparao. Meeting better.
Definitely, sir. We are all with you.
Yeah.
You conduct a meeting. We all will be there.